Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page to design the business card. To do it, we have to click on here. So look at this attentively how I am doing it. After set up the page, we have to select the pen tool, then click on here, then click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold the Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, 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 and here. Then select the fill color, then select this color from here, then select the move tool. Now we have to select this layer, right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on this box, then click on the blue, and select this color from here. Then click on here, and click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on here, click on the color, and select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, click on the color and select this color from here, then click on the OK. Now you have to select this layer, press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay. Then click on here, then select the white color from here. Then click on the stroke, then click on here, then select the gradient color from here, then click on here, then click on the blue, then select this color from here, then click on the OK, then click on the OK again. Then you have to drag and drop this layer under this layer. Then you have to adjust this layer. Then you have to right click on this layer again, and click on the stroke, then increase the size of stroke, then click on the OK. Now we have to select the pen tool again, and click on here, 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 and draw a curve. Then press and hold the Alt key, then click on here, then click on here. And right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Click on here and drag and drop this in here, then drag and drop this in here, then you have to drag and drop this in here, then click on here, then click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select, now you have to select a pen tool, then select this, then press and hold the Alt key, then take a copy and from this layer. Then click on here, right click on this layer, flip horizontal. Then click on the tick mark. Now you have to select a pen tool again, then click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold the Alt key, then click on here, here, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, and click on here, then you have to select this and click on delete. Then you have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. OK. Then you have to click on the OK again. Now you have to design the other things of this business card. After open all icon, you have to set these icons in your business card. After select all icons, you have to click on here and select the text tool, and click on here and write your number in here. After write the number, you have to select the move tool. After that, you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your email in here. Then you have to select the move tool again. Now you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your website name in here. After write your website name, you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your location in here. After write your location, you have to double click on here, then click on here, then select this font from here, and click on the tick mark. Then double click on here, and select this font. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here. Click on here, then select this font, and double click on here, and select this font again. Now we have to open the profile icon. And then I have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your name in here. After write your name, click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the shape tool, then draw a shape in here. Then click on the fill color, then click on here and select the black color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then hold the shift key and increase the size of the line. And click on the tick mark. Now we have to set our logo in our business card. To set our logo, you have to click on here and select the text tool, then click on here and write your company name in here. Then select all text and click on here, then select the white color from here. Then select the move tool, then increase the size of this text. Then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project and select all layers from here, then drag and drop this layer in here. Now you have to set this business card in here. To set the business card, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to press the Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.